In this video, we're going to address a fix to a batch of common problems that can exist with a miter saw. This happens to be a Makita LS1013 that won't start. Prior to this, sparks would shoot out of the motor while it was running. The brake didn't work. When you released the trigger, the blade would spin for about 30 seconds before coming to a stop. Then it became intermittent. Sometimes it would start, other times not, and now it won't start at all. So to fix this, let's check the brushes. Unplug the saw, then remove the brush port cover with a flat screwdriver. Sometimes the brush is stuck, which shouldn't be the case. Pull harder or pry it out. This brush looks gummed up on the sides and pretty well worn on its face. Let's check the other brush. Same deal with this one. By spinning the saw blade, we can see the rotating, commutating conductors. Use compressed air to blow the dust off and clean up the commutators. Next, we'll clean up the brushes. Place some fine sandpaper on a flat surface. Rub the brush on the sandpaper to make the rubbing surface flat again. Also, lightly sand down the sides of the brush so that it slides more smoothly in its housing. Then, reinstall the brushes. Taking all safety precautions, plug in the saw and try it out. In this case, the saw now works. No sparks, and when the trigger is released, the brake engages and stops the blade. I hope you found this helpful. If so, please like and subscribe.